Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines. Today, we are looking at the DFJKJUU portable washing machine and the SRVVTO portable washing machine. Both of these machines are designed for those who live in small spaces or are frequently on the go. The DFJKJUU model boasts a larger capacity of 16 liters, making it ideal for washing more items at once, while the SRVVTO offers a compact 13-liter option that is perfect for quick washes. Let's dive into the details and see how these two products stack up against each other. When it comes to capacity, the DFJKJUU portable washing machine takes the lead with a generous 16-liter capacity, allowing you to wash more items in a single load. In contrast, the SRVVTO portable washing machine has a slightly smaller capacity of 13 liters. This difference may be crucial for users who need to wash larger quantities of laundry at once, especially when dealing with baby clothes or multiple small items. Now let's talk about price. The DFJKJUU model is priced at $77, while the SRVVTO is more budget-friendly at $59. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for an economical option. However, it's essential to consider the features and capacity that each product offers for the price. Both washing machines are designed to be portable and foldable, making them perfect for small spaces like apartments or RVs. The DFJKJUU features a sleek design with a removable spin-dry basket, while the SRVVTO offers a built-in spin dryer. Their compact dimensions ensure that they can be easily stored when not in use, making them ideal for travel. In conclusion, both the DFJKJUU and SRVVTO portable washing machines have their unique advantages. The DFJKJUU offers a larger capacity and a removable spin-dry basket, making it suitable for more extensive laundry needs. On the other hand, the SRVVTO is a more affordable option with a compact design, perfect for those who prioritize portability. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.